Hello friends, welcome to my famous, well-known, creative, informative and unique educational channel to watch more creative videos on machine learning using Python. As we have gone through many videos on Keras, such as Keras is a API which is very useful for image recognition, which is used with CNN, convolutional neural network. We have seen videos on Keras, Python multi-class image classification using CNN. Then we have seen Python food classification using TensorFlow and Keras, and many more. Today's video is interesting and creative. It is today's video about facial expression classification using Keras. So let us go through the program first and then we will see the execution. Importing required libraries needed for the program. Then we have used trained dataset for accuracy. These are the facial expression classification we are going to perform. Angry, happy, here angry, happy, disgust, neutral and this thing, and then print and then save dataset. We have used a test and train. Here we have used train because it is for accuracy of the and plot the distribution graph. For graph we are using matplotlib for plotting graph. Now I will execute the program. Yes, so please watch it carefully. Different images will be displayed, different output will be displayed. We are going to perform facial expression classification. Now it will display the data set. Lot of images are displayed, that's why it is taking time. Test data set, lot of images are displayed, that's why it is taking time, of different expression. Please be patient. Yes. So here different images, expressions are there, happy, and then different are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So 12 and these 1 2 3. So different expressions of the images are displayed. Now particular data set. Now yes, so train data set and public data set. We have used data set for accuracy. So it is displaying angry, fear, happy, sad and this thing. I hope you like this video of facial expression classification using Keras. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on machine learning using Python, facial emotion recognition, then image identification, then support vector machine, CNN, Keras, TensorFlow. Thanks for watching.